Lost in a strange new world, Milay wanders through the forest. Every tree feels different. Every sound feels strange. She feels small and alone.
What is that sound? Water, but it feels alive. Wow! She's dancing, and the water dances with her.
Hey! You've been watching me all this time?
No, please don't. I'm happy to see someone. I thought I was alone.
In a strange land, two paths cross and a new friendship begins.
You are amazing.
Don't worry. I like fans. My name is Maryam. Who are you?
I am Milay, Princess Milay.
Then, Your Majesty, can I have a royal autograph?
Haha, maybe. But only if you promise to be my friend.
Deal. Princess and gymnast. The best team.
Haha, no. From now on, we are Princess Splash and Queen Crash.
Yes, the funniest team ever.
They laugh together, and this is only the beginning of their greatest adventure. Milay looks closer. Something shines in Maryam's hair. A glowing blue amulet.
You also have an amulet?
Yes. It shines, but I don't know why.
Mine is green. I feel strong when I wear it.
Strange. 2 girls, 2 amulets. That must mean something.
2 amulets, 2 secrets. 1 destiny. In the heart of darkness, Agil waits. His power bends the 5 elements. Shadows gather around him.
Rat, find the girl. Find Milay. And bring me her amulet.
Yes, my master. But should I also ask about the other amulets?
Yes, I must know everything.
You are not just a dark master. You are the master of the 5 elements. And you are the leader of the 12 zodiac.
12 shadows wait in the dark, and their master is ready to strike.